Welcome to Hybridics. Today's topic is a very important topic because we are going to talk about the role level security. With the role level security, you can make sure that certain KPIs, for example, the employee performance, are seen but only by certain people in your organization. For example, by HR or by top management or whatever it is. So I'm going to show you how to do that right on the practice on the screen. Let's go. Here we go. It's beginning to look like Christmas. All right. Here's the practical part of role level security in Power BI. Very important topic, and it's one of the topics that you are certainly going to be asked if you go to the interview for the BI role, business intelligence or data management or data governance or whatever it is. It's a core topic in which you are given access to the several categories of the people in your organization or out of your external people. So we have the tables here. We have the salesperson and the sales table. As you see, what I want to do when I'm going to use a certain email out of here, I'm gonna see only the relative people's data here. For example, I've already, if I'm gonna use, for instance, I'm gonna show you view as. So if I'm gonna view as a salesman example here, which is going to be seen as a Stephen Young adventureworks.com, I'm gonna see only the relative sales for that person, right? Sales territory and so on and so forth. So how to do that? First of all, you need to have a table with the customer name in it. The person whom you want to give access, the name in it, salesperson. So as you see that employee key, employee ID, and so on and so forth. And you have UPN. It's usually what you see when you sign in. It's what you see as the user name. So let's do the stop viewing, and when you're going to see all the data, so I'm going to tap the relative employee key and the user principal name. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna see the model view, and what you're gonna see that salesperson is connected one-to-many to the sales table on the employee ID key here. Let me see, employee key. So this one is for making sure that this table is connected to the sales table. Next step, what you're gonna do is to go to the visualization part, go to the modeling and the model manage roles, and in the manage roles you want to make sure that you create the new role, for example, and let's call it, the new role is going to be the salesman access, and you go to the salesperson, and then what you're gonna do here, you're creating to the you do the switch to the DAX editor. You write the name of the column. It's going to be salesperson, name of name of the table and name of the column that should match with the sign-in data. So it's equals to user principal name. Okay, and the user principal name is, you're just leaving as it is. You save it and then you're good to go. Yep, basically that's what you need to know about this. And then if you for example, if you already have, how can you check it? For example, if you already have signed in and you have your email among these emails, you are gonna see only your results here. For instance, as I showed before, let me show you again. If I'm gonna show you on the this example of the, oh sorry, it's not the case example, yeah, here. Stephen Young, and by the way, you're not gonna see if you don't have your username within the list of these names, usernames, okay, emails. So you're gonna see like this. If you change this name and add your username and add your email that you have signed in and you're using your Power BI, you're gonna see your Power BI, your username here. All right, that was about the role level security. If you have any question, just drop a message or comment. I'm gonna be very happy to help you. And I think that it's the last video of this year, and I'm not gonna be posting again with the videos. And see you after Christmas, after in the new year. Have a great Christmas, and I wish you to be in the good health with the people surrounding you and loving you with the people that you love. And yeah, that's it. See you.